Hey guys, so I wanted to show you something super awesome about lemongrass essential oil that you might not know. So as we are coming into the summer months, people are going to want to paint their fingers and their toes, whether you're going on a cruise or a vacation or just looking super cute at the pool. It is a lot of fun to paint your nails. But sometimes you're in a pinch and you don't have nail polish remover, like I am, because we are moving in a week and I packed the nail polish remover. But then I remembered you can use lemongrass essential oil to remove your nail polish. How cool is that? It takes a little bit of patience. So as we know, chemicals do things differently. But if you need to take off a chip, or if you've got the patience to use your lemongrass, or if you just want to avoid chemicals altogether, which I think is great, kick those toxins out, definitely reach for your lemongrass oil. So this is how I use lemongrass to get rid of nail polish. So typically I will put a drop or two right on the nail and I'll just let it sit for a little bit. And you can even rub it in just to really get it on there. Now this is one coat of nail polish. This is a natural nail polish. So I don't know if that changes anything, but I have used lemongrass with conventional nail polish before and it's definitely done a good work. So I really just kind of rub that lemongrass into it, which is great. It's got a great smell. You're avoiding that awful nail polish remover smell. And this is also safe for children. So if you're using it on your little ones, this is super fun if you've got a daughter or something like that. So really what you can do is after you've let it sit for a little bit, you just kind of work it off. See how it's already coming off on the cotton ball? Now it can take a little bit more than just a drop depending on how thick your nail polish is, maybe how pigmented it is, whether you're doing a pink or a red versus maybe more like a cream or a beige. But as you can tell, it's already coming off, which is awesome. Not to mention, lemongrass smells really good and is also good for the body. So as you can see, I'm working it off, and check that out. Now what I did, the reason why you're seeing it more here is because I did a coat on my nails, and then I actually just went over the tip just to kind of fortify it, because typically that's where nails chip off the most, is at the tip. So that is why it's hanging on at the tip here, but I'm working it off. You can just get your other nails involved. Use a cotton ball. I definitely recommend a cotton ball because it's more abrasive than, whoa, sorry about that. I definitely recommend a cotton ball because it's more abrasive than a paper towel would be. Hang on a second. Mid-video, I did not anticipate this. That'll be just fine for the remainder of it. But as you can see, it's coming off. And then I even could just work off the rest of that with my fingernails. Or if I wanted to go in for one more drop, I certainly could. I'm gonna do one more drop just to show you that this is a complete and entire job, that it really gets it done. So how cool is this? You might have had lemongrass in your collection and you're like, okay, I get it. It's good for digestive support, or maybe you know that it's great for the immune system. Lemongrass is really good to diffuse in your kitchen, or if you've got stinky smells, because it's in purification blend. But now you can put your lemongrass to summertime fun and good use, and it will take off your nail polish. So you don't have all of those awful chemicals or toxins to work with, whether you're using it for yourself or your teens or your kids. So there you go, guys. Have a good one. See ya.